Hello, my people. This is your girl, Great Reality. I am here to tell you about this wonderful water heater. Yes, from Italy. Very, very nice water heater. They have 10 liters, 15 liters, 30 liters, 50 liters, 100 liters, 150 liters, 200 liters, 300 liters, 500 liters. Yes, very, very nice water heater, and it lasts very well. Very, very, very well. It's from Italy. They have company all over the world. They have company in Germany, in Spain, in UK, almost all over the world. Yes, you can use it with solar, and you can also use it with electric. The name of this company is Ariston Company.